Hey guys, I'm back here with day 3 of math review. Today we're going to be doing rounding. I will show yesterday's answers at the end of this video, so just keep with me. One thing that we need to go back over is our little song that helps us round. Now there's all kinds of different. Sorry, Meredith keeps talking. There's all kinds of little songs or catchphrases to help you remember what numbers do what with rounding, but the one that I found and I thought was catchiest that we learned at the beginning of the year was 0 through 4, hit the floor, 5 through 9, climb the vine. So this means like whatever place value that you're rounding to, if it's 0 through 4, then nothing changes. It stays. It hits the floor. It doesn't go down. It doesn't go up. Um, it stays. 5 through 9, climb the vine. They're going to go up. The number in that spot's going to go up to the next number. The only occasion is if it's a 9, it will go up to 0, and then the place value to the left of it will go up 1 also. So let's get started. Remember, I always did a fish hook. So these three we're doing rounding to the nearest 10. So we're going to underline the tens place and draw our fish hook. Our fish hook tells us we need to be looking at this number. This number is 9. Sing your song. 0 through 4, hit the floor. 5 through 9, climb the vine. 9 is climb the vine. So that means that this number that we underlined is going to go up 1. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8. And then everything to the right of the underlined number turns to 0. So rounding to the nearest 10, tens are like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 79 is closer to 80, so that makes sense. 93, underline your place value that you're rounding to. Draw your fish hook. We're looking at 3. 3 is in between 0 through 4. So that means we're going to hit the floor. That means this number stays the same. So 9 stays the same. And everything to the right of that turns to 0. Now, eventually you're going to get good enough at rounding that you're not going to have to underline and draw your fish hook. But until you get it down packed, you need to do this, okay? So you know which place value that you're looking at. You're always looking at to the right of whatever place value that you're rounding to. So 5 is 5 through 9, climb the vine. So that means 4 is going to go up. So we're going to add 1 to 4. And that turns it into a 5. Everything to the right of the line is going to turn to 0. Okay, now we're rounding to the nearest 100. Now 100 is the third number over, but the process is the same. Draw your fish hook to the number to the next right of the underlined number. So this is hundreds, tens, ones. To round to the nearest 100, you have to look at your tens place to see where you are. So 4 is 0 through 4, hit the floor. So that means this 1's going to stay the same. Stays the same. And then everything to the right of that turns to 0. Same thing down here. Underline the 2. Draw a fish hook to the right. 7 is 5 through 9. Climb the vine. Is 5 through 9. Climb the vine. That means this number is going to go up by 1, which is 2 plus 1 is 3. Everything to the right turns to 0. Moving on. Underline the 100 spot. Look to the right. 0 through 4 hit the floor. 2 is in between 0 through 4, so that means this is going to stay the same. So 9 stays the same. Everything to the right turns to 0. Rounding is super, super easy. You just have to remember everything below 5, you don't change the place value. Everything above 5, you have to increase that number by 1. And everything to the right of the line always is 0. Everything to the left stays the same. Tomorrow we're going to be rounding to like the thousands place and stuff like that. So we're going to do some more rounding tomorrow. Here is your homework questions over here for you to do. Rounding to the nearest 10 and rounding to the nearest 100. Really quick, let's look at your answers from yesterday for subtraction. Your answers for your homework are 313, 465, 306, and 66. So check your problems and see if they're right. If they're not right, see where you went wrong, okay? I apologize for the noise. I'm trying to do some videos during the daytime, so I don't have to stay up every night after Meredith goes to sleep, so I'm not a zombie. So we're trying to work through it. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and I miss you guys, okay? I'll see you later. Or I'll talk to you later, I guess. Bye.